Chandigarh today, and we didn't really explore the city. We mostly just came here to stop through on the way up to the mountains. So our driver's coming soon, so we're just gonna head out. Join us today because this should be an interesting car ride. We're getting a taxi up there now and through winding roads through the mountains, merging into the Himalayas. So this will be a beautiful ride. Don't know what to expect. Just gotta hope for the best. Prayer to Shiva.
God of roads.
God of roads?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're being protected by Shiva.
I bet Shiva's the god of hair. Look at those locks.
Spiritual places in the world right now. Let's make an agreement.
Excited to get up into the Himalayas.
Yeah, you know, I've been looking forward to this for a long time. Hopefully we don't freeze to death.
Really nice flavor, very full, not too spicy, but it's nice. Yeah, I'm just as shocked as you are to see the Canadian flag perched on this mountainside restaurant just after the gateway to the Himalayas.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're doing Rupert Eats All the Chili Challenge. Rupert. Every time I eat it, it tastes like it misses Rupert.
So I just got a papaya milkshake here with dry fruit on the top, so looks quite interesting. Let's see how it tastes. Very strong papaya flavor. Gotta love it. Fresh, really nice. Alright, so we just arrived here at our guest house. We're still a bit recovering from the journey because it was a long journey, and also the app we rode with, this is the name of the app. On their site they said it would be around 9,000 rupees for the whole trip, but in fact it was 18,000, 19,000. Didn't include the taxes. They didn't calculate the route with a fair degree of accuracy, so we felt as though the app and this service, this one here, really did us kind of dirty. We're 4 people, so it's not the end of the world at all, and but you know, just being a bit of a broke traveler now, an extra 2,500 rupees per person or whatever it was is it's quite a bit. So I just wanted to mention that. But apart from that, we're doing well. Just arrived here at the guest house, and it is beautiful. Thank you for watching this video here on Onwards and Upwards. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification. If you like hiking, nature, and traveling videos, then you're in the right place. Have a nice day, and good luck on your adventures.